Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Shira and I am your coach today for our 15-minute Ministepper beginner high intensity interval training workout. So many words, but the structure is 7 exercises, 45 seconds of work and 15 seconds of rest for every exercise. In between your 2 rounds, we're going to have a 1-minute active rest. So let's begin, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so we can make sure you stay in the loop for our regularly updated full library of workouts. Okay guys, we're getting started with our first 45 seconds of work at just a base pace. So in 5 seconds, we're going for a nice, smooth, easy stride. 3, 2, and we begin. 45 seconds, really just walking it out here because the rest of the workout, we have a lot of time to increase our intensity and our effort. So take advantage of this chill first interval. You're letting your arms just flow by your sides, pressing down to the ground through your heels, but gently, nothing high impact. We're halfway through the set, then we'll have a 15-second active rest, also at your base pace or slower. Already taking a nice deep breath in through the nose. Big exhale through the mouth. 8 seconds here. Making sure this is just you time. It's all about you for the next entire workout, this entire workout. And we actively rest for 15. Feel free to keep the same pace, or you can slow it down. Our next interval is 30 seconds of your base pace and then 15 seconds of a moderate push pace. 3, 2, base pace for 30 seconds here. Giving yourself some purpose as we work, right? As we walk it out for the next 30-second portion of the set, you're gonna think about 3 reasons of why you are showing up for yourself today. We want these reasons to be from an internal place, not because of other people, but for ourselves. In 5 seconds, we're going for that moderate pace. 3, 2, let's turn it up a little bit, a little more depth in those knees, faster pace here. Good, 10 seconds to think of a few more reasons why you're showing up for yourself today. You have 3, 2, and slow it down, active rest. Nice job. Next up, we have a 50-50 split. Base pace and then moderate pace, 22 seconds of each about. We go in 3, 2, this is just your base pace for 22 seconds, I was gonna say 50 seconds, and then your second half will be that moderate pace. Again, this is your beginner level workout, so already your heart rate can be elevated for sure. And this is a judgment-free zone, so if this is challenging, that's okay. It's really hard to get back into a routine sometimes, or to even develop a routine. It takes time. Let's take off, moderate pace. And if it's not your first day back and it's still challenging, that's cool too. This is not easy work. We have 10 seconds here, continuing that moderate pace, staying tall, staying present. Good, we got 3, 2, and slow it down again. Nice work. Next, we have moderate pace for 30 seconds and then a speedy pace for 15 seconds. So we're increasing that intensity. No base pace on this interval. Moderate pace in 3, 2, let's step it out. So full strides, but pretty fast. And you'll know your speed interval will be smaller, more concise, precise, springy, quick steps. That is in about 10 seconds. So keep that pace, moderately pushing forward. And we go for speed in 3, oh, just kidding, in 5 seconds. We go for speed in 3, 2, and let's get into it. So we're increasing the depth in those knees. Don't let the knees cave in. Press through the heels. Nice and quick, 5 seconds to go. Push through, push through, push through. For 4, 3, 2, and walk it out. Active rest. Good job. We're gonna do that one more time. 30 of your moderate pace, and then 15-second speedy pace. We go in 3, 2, and let's begin. Moderate pace for 30 seconds. Stepping through. Now, just to brace you, your next 2 exercises or intervals after this are all squats based. So let's really make this speedy, precise interval happen in 10 seconds. We'll turn it up shortly. Getting ready to get low with it. Bring those hips back, brace the core, arms alternating with the legs, press through the heels, chop it up, nice and quick, push that speed. You got it. I know you feel your quads firing. That's okay, that's a good thing. Keep going for 4, speed. 3, 2, active rest. Nice. Now, we have squats for 30 seconds and pulses for 15 seconds. That will be followed by another set of squats, pulses, and holds. Here we go. Even those feet out, hips back, push the floor away, and down, back up. Good. This is where we're at for 30 seconds. Really practice keeping the knees behind the toes. If this is too much on the stepper, just come off the stepper and hit your squats on the floor. In 6 seconds, we're going for pulses here. We begin in 3, 2, and pulse nice and low. Even those feet out. Don't let the knees cave in. Good. We're here for 5 seconds. Increasing that range of motion slightly, but don't come all the way up yet. 3, 2, walk it out. Good. The good news is, after this upcoming set, where we'll have squats, pulses, and holds, we'll have an active rest for 1 minute. So we begin full squat, full range of motion. 3, 2, squat with me. Keeping those legs parallel, even feet, hips back, weight in the heels. Good work. We have pulses in 3, 2, and pulses. Nice and low for 15 seconds. Then we will hold for 15 seconds. You got this, stay with it. We go for that hold in 3, 2, and hold it here. Knees stay parallel, behind the toes, chest tall and proud. Can the arms go up? We have 5, 4, 3, 2, stand it up, take a gentle step off, and we have an active rest for just 1 minute. So you can put the hands on the hips or out to the sides. Give yourself some space from the stepper. Just a gentle little leg swing here. Take it easy. And we'll switch sides in 3, 2, switch sides. Whew. I know that this is a beginner workout, but that does not mean that it's easy. I'm already sweaty, my heart rate is up. I'm excited about this break right now. I don't know about you. I'm just pulsing that quad stretch back, grabbing that one foot, and pulse the other back. 10 more seconds. I love a nice quick dive through. So roll through the spine. Touch the floor, bend the knees. If you're like, I cannot touch the floor, that's okay, most people can't. And we're gonna step back up. In 10 seconds, we're hitting the second round. Same exact format as before, same exercise. We start with our base pace in 3, 2, 45 seconds here. Keep those hips pushing forward and taking a nice walk here. With this time, for the 35 seconds you have left on the interval, I want you to think about one nice thing you can do for yourself today. It does not have to be health and fitness related, but something that is going to bring you joy, even if it's just momentarily. Think about one nice thing that you will do for yourself today. Sometimes we forget in all the hustle bustle. We got about 12 seconds here. Keep going. Pushing those heels down, don't let the hips fall back. Bracing that core, alternating arms. 3, 2, and active rest. Feel free to slow it down. Next, 30 seconds base pace, then a 15-second moderate pace. 30 seconds, just that base pace. Coming up in 3, 2, here we go again. So that base pace. You make it as competitive as you want, but you do have that moderate pace push at the end for 15. Stepping through, walking forward, you're doing great. In 15 seconds, we'll hit that moderate pace. So get ready to push that effort. Give me 10% more than you did in that previous round. Let's turn it up a little bit. We go in 3, 2, moderate pace. Don't forget, you can always turn the knob at the bottom of the stepper to increase your tension, and that will definitely make this a harder workout if you're up for the challenge. Keep hitting that moderate step. You've got 4, 3, 2, and we active rest. Good job. Next step, 50-50 split, 22 seconds base pace, 22 seconds moderate pace. Walking it out. We go 3, 2, and base pace here. Just stepping through, stepping through. Good. Now, I know we've thought about how you're going to treat yourself well today. Have you also thought about like a little reward that you can give yourself for this workout? I'm highly food motivated, so I always reward myself after a workout with like a little snack. It's kind of nerdy. Here we go, 3, 2, and let's push that pace now. Moderate pace for the second half of the set. So today, I have a pretty strict diet, but when it comes to working out, I love a treat after. I'll never like deprive myself. So I will definitely have some Halloween candy today. We have 3, 2, and slow it down. Good. Take your time here, 8 seconds to reset. When I have really intense workouts, I like have mac and cheese after 45 minutes of like high intensity work. All right, guys, let's get back to your 30-second moderate pace. Here we go, and then we'll have 15 seconds of speed. It's true though, after like a 45-minute non-stop advanced crazy workout, I get the mac and cheese. All right, keep pushing through, and in 5 seconds, you'll have 15 seconds of a speedy, speedy sprint. We're getting ready in 3, 2, get low with it, push through those heels, and we're striving forward. Nice and quick, speed, speed, speed. Keep going, 5 seconds. It's okay if the quads are burning a bit. Let's go for 3, 2, yes. Active steps. Now, next set, again, same exact concept, 30 seconds, moderate pace, 15 seconds of that sprint. 3, 2, and let's go. Moderate pace here, moderate pace. Walking through. I love a reward system, but I never believe that you have to punish yourself with a workout because you ate too much or ate not the proper diet that day. I don't believe that should be the relationship between our food and our work ethic in the gym. In 5 seconds, we're gonna speed it up from that moderate pace in 3, 2, here we go. I think that fitness is a journey, and a part of it is, of course, nutrition, a very important part of it, but it can't be fitness can't be what punishes us for not sticking to our diet. And rest, active rest. Good news, we have 2 more sets to go, and then a final active recovery. We go in 3 for your squats, 2, even those feet out, here we go. So I really believe that fitness is, of course, deeply associated with nutrition, and nutrition is just a part of the journey. We're gonna have our really, really strong days or weeks where we are on it, and there's gonna be days where we dip and we really wanted extra of something, or we didn't eat on our set schedule, or whatever it may be, and that is okay. I think sometimes people think one little mistake, it's all done, have to start over. No, you just next day, we try again. Stay low with it, 5 seconds. Perfection is boring, so we can't be shooting for perfection. 3, 2, and active rest. 15 seconds here. Then we get into our last, final set of the day. We'll have 15 seconds of squats, 15 seconds pulses, 15 seconds hold. In 3, 2, And here we go. Squat for 15, up and down. Good. Next up, pulses in 3, 2, and pulses. Let's get it. Nice and low. Good. Keeping that medium range of motion. In 5 seconds, we'll hold. That's in 3, 2, and hold. Now I know my quads are burning, so yours are too. Keep those hips back, knees behind the toes, knees apart. Try not to stop. We have just 5 seconds. Give me 4, stay with it. 3, 2, and rest. Good. Gentle step off. Let's take a nice moment for a good quad stretch. This exercise is real. Pull that foot back, hip and knee forward. And if you feel up for it, you can cross the ankle over the knee, sit the hips back, and stretch out that hip and glute medius. Then we'll switch sides. And if you can't do that, that's okay. Stick with the quad stretch. Pull the foot back, hip and knee pulling forward, and we reset across. Push the hips back and up. Good, guys. Let's end with a nice deep breath. Deep breath in. Exhale. Good. Make sure you take that moment to do something nice for yourself. Reward yourself for a great workout, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks, guys.
Hey everyone, if you've enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There you'll find many more classes from me. I teach trampoline cardio, dance cardio, cardio kickboxing, plus many more from all the SunnyFit trainers. If you haven't yet downloaded the SunnyFit app, click the link in the description below, and we'll see you there.